Figured I'd do a quick video because I'm about to mow, and I wanted to show how you lubricate one of these guys. Yeah, I mean, it needs to be done pretty often, and I'm gonna take care of it now. It's supposed to be every 10 hours. I'm not gonna wait 10 hours, so I'm just gonna take care of it as often as I possibly can. So here we go. All right, so there's 3 places you've got to take screws apart. You got to take this little screw here, and then these 2, and then you'll fill those up. So we'll start with this one. Pretty simple. Got my grease gun here. That one looked like it was pretty full already. And to be honest with you, this was making me a little bit nervous because it felt like it was starting to bind up just a little bit. So that was more of the reason why I wanted to go ahead and get this greased up. So let's get this one. I think that should be good. Wow, that went in. Didn't even push back at all. Trying to get an even amount in both of these. That filled up. The second one seemed like it wanted more. I'm gonna call that enough. Alright, so you just put the screws back on, and then that should take care of it. I will probably take this apart again at some point. Underneath, you can take the blades apart. It's actually got these clips, and then this whole thing comes apart. You're supposed to clean it out, lubricate it as well, but for now I think this is enough. But that's pretty much it. That's all you got to do to get this. That's all it's got. That's all.
Come here, Garrett.
That's all it needs to get it lubricated. All right. That's it. Told you it was a short video, but that just takes care of it, and minus all the interruptions, you get it done pretty quickly. So